Hi, with this video I'm going to show you how to edit this product and one to the podium. So there is another one I edit. It is a low quality image just like this product. So I need to edit this. So how I edit this? So there is on a podium right there. I downloaded from prepix.com. You can try it from there. There is a lot of things. So let's get back into Photoshop. So I need to placement a photo like file, then place embedded, and now I'm going to like this one and place. So there is the pictures. It is not good high quality. This is just normally a photo shoot with phone. So I need to just remove the background. So how? So I need to go any of the selection tool, and you can see over there it select subject, and then going to, if you need to a best result, then selected cloud. So that will work on cloud. So you can see when I hover over the image, it detect the subject. So just click on it, and then just click it right there. It's something can't find object. Okay, I just click it here just for a second, and it's done. So this is not good enough to do. So I need to again go to the laser tool and select, and then I need to select somewhere there. So wait a minute, and it's work. So now select the subject layer and just click on the mask button. It's done. So now I need to just select the move tool, and this is done. So I need to placement here. So just Ctrl and Command T, just make it small. So place it right there. Okay, so we need to create compositions. So I think it is right there. It is the better positions. Just click it here or press enter. So I need to it is a lot of issue over theirs and theirs. So you need to take your times and edit it. So I'm going to brush tool and go to the marks here and zoom it into a little bit, and make sure the foreground color is black, and just paint over there. Oh, something is wrong. Flow will be 100 and the mood will be normal. So now it's something wrong again. So I need to select the general brush here, soft round, and paint it over there. So take your time and edit like this. So if you have any problem, just go like so, like this. Now I'm going to just filter and camera filter. So now you can adjust it right from basics. I'm going to like little bit exposure, not so much. Okay, 20 is fine. You can see the before and after. Toggle to different setting like there, before and after. And exposure, make a contrast a little bit black and white. You can see what changes here. I need to clarity. Okay, not too much, like this. Okay, 19, and texture. Okay, so vibrance a little bit, and I want to see what. Okay, it can't move, I think. I think it can't move, so it is fine. I think you can see that difference before and after. This is the before and this is the after. So I think I'm going to details and sharpening. There is so much thing you can sharp, or you can noise reduce. There is, you can see the difference if I'm going to zoom in, and this is the before and this is the after. There is a lot of noise and a little bit sharp. Okay, now it is good. So this is the before and this is the after, and now I'm going to just hit OK. If you are, oh, it's nice. So you need to adjust with the color and also the shadows. So you can see there is reflected from the original photo from like theirs. So I need to make a shadows and here and there, and also the ground. So make a new layer like this and just put it behind the subject. You can write this, it is the subject watch. So I'm sorry. Just okay. So now go to the layer 1. I'm going to just select the brush tool and increase it. Foreground color I'm making to the black and just hit there. So it is something in here you cannot see properly, just behind there. So I need to adjust it. Just Ctrl and Command D and make it like this. Hold the shift and something like this. And now go to it need to be bigger, something like there, and put it behind the subject. So it's something like this, and I need to the opportunity I'm going to like 25 or 30. Again I'm going to just copy it another one, Ctrl and Command J, and then make it opacity with like 50 and Ctrl and Command T, and just make it something like this, a lot smaller. Sorry. Okay. Something problem with my pad. I'm working on pad, not mouse. So I'm going to another copy of it, this layer. Now I'm going to like 100 or something lower, 80. And now go to the like this, and also small. I need to small, something like here. Okay. So something like this. So you can create shadow naturally or normally. So now it seems like something real, but you can see there is shadow behind the subject, but it's almost like shine. So I need to adjust with. So I'm going to easy way, not hard way. So just make it darker and put like this or something. Okay, and now select the marks button and just Ctrl and Command I, just opposite. And now make sure the foreground color is white. Follow will be something lower that we can control with painting. And now just make it somewhere there. It's again the problem. I need to off, I think. Now paint over there wherever you need, something like this. Okay, not so much, just before and after. I need to control with the opacity like 75%. or it's something 100, but you can control. Where is my cursor again? It's something awkward. So I'm working with the mouse. Now I'm working with the mouse, so it will be difficult to do, so don't worry. I'm going to make the white of the foreground and just adjust it like so. So I need to darker and put there. Okay, it's something done. So now I need to opacity a little bit down, something like this. So this is the shadow all. Okay, so I need to adjust with the color. So it is almost right there greens, right there purple or something. So if you want to go to the hue and saturations and clip with the behind that layer, just with the button, and I'll go to the colorize options and now make it something like this. And I want to, its opacity will be something like, and to make it 40%. Now you can see the before and after. It is the before and it is just a little bit color, which adjust with the background. You can there is the color green. You can adjust with green. It will be more better. So I think this is the final. Just type sit into theirs. You can try it. So if you are new here, you can subscribe with my channel, increase it. So that's for today's video.